Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever returned goods to a supplier or received a refund from a vendor, you'll know that managing these transactions properly is key to keeping your books accurate. That's where a vendor credit in Zoho Books comes in. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books, step by step, with everything you need to know for 2025. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your credits are applied correctly. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Under the Purchases tab, you'll find the option called Vendor Credits. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see the option to plus New Vendor Credit in the top right corner. Click on that and a new form will open up. Here's where the details matter. Start by selecting the vendor you're creating the credit for. This ensures it links directly to their account in your system. Enter the credit note number and date. You can use your own numbering system or let Zoho auto-generate one. Now, in the item details section, add the products or services you're returning or being credited for. Include the quantity, rate, and taxes if applicable. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the totals for you, so you don't have to worry about the math. Once the details are in place, you can also add notes or attachments like receipts, vendor communication, or any supporting documents for reference. This is a great way to keep everything organized. Before saving, double check all your entries. If everything looks correct, hit save. And just like that, your vendor credit is created. Now, here's the bonus tip I promise. After creating a vendor credit, you can apply it directly to future vendor bills. This helps you reduce payable amounts automatically instead of manually adjusting every time. To do this, open the vendor bill and apply the credit note. It's quick and saves a lot of time. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books the right way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step Zoho tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover other advanced features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.